Landing pages are vital for your clinic. They serve as a digital front door where potential patients arrive after clicking on an ad or search result. It's essential that this page is clear, engaging, and designed to convert visitors into inquiries. An effective landing page can determine whether a visitor leaves your site or takes action, such as booking a consultation. Higher conversion rates lead to more leads and ultimately more patients for your clinic. Most landing pages function merely as online brochures and fail to convert visitors into leads and patients. When structured effectively, your landing page can become a powerful revenue-generating asset. What makes a landing page effective? In this three-part video series or podcast series, I discuss the key elements of a high-performing landing page in the topic, how to use landing pages to ensure your paid ads convert well, including a 3-step structure for the hero section of your landing pages that compel visitors to take action, and how to use landing pages to ensure your paid ads convert well. And you can find the links to the other 2 episodes in the show note below. Landing pages are website pages designed specifically for collecting contact details of visitors, particularly those landing there as a result of an ad. When running paid digital ads, clicks from prospects are taken into a dedicated landing page. If you have many different ads set, you may want to have as many landing pages to ensure they are congruent to the ad copy and design. Capturing leads from paid advertising allows you to nurture them over time and reach them directly. Without a lead capturing mechanism, you have to rely on prospects to remember you when they become ready to buy, which almost never happens. Okay, as an effective landing page focuses on providing a clear and compelling value proposition that encourages users to share their contact information. It uses a strong headline and engaging copy, and it loads fast as well. An important feature of a landing page is that they use a simple design that removes all unnecessary distractions like navigation bars and pop-ups. Landing pages should be binary in that the only things a prospect can do there are either to fill out or leave. Too many options of distraction will cause the conversion rate of your landing page to plummet. The opt-in form should be easy to complete, requesting only information that's essential to move them to the next step in your process. Why it's tempting to ask a lot of information on your landing page? Each additional piece of information you request will reduce your overall completion rates. I recommend collecting just email addresses to start with and testing the impact on your conversion rates if you want to request other data. Another way to collect additional data without damaging conversion rates is using multi-step form. This collects the email address first, then requests additional data in subsequent steps. This way, even if the visitor abandons the landing page when the additional data is requested, you still capture their email address. You can also request additional data as part of your lead nurturing process. Continuous testing and improvement of landing page elements such as headlines, copy, design, and form fields is important to maximize the effectiveness of your landing pages. I recommend using dedicated landing page tools to help you to do this. They allow for split testing, which helps you determine which variations yield the best conversion rates. In addition, they help you track and analyze user behavior, bounce rates, and other metrics. In the podcast number 126, I talk about why your clinic needs a high-performing landing page. Landing pages are vital for your clinic, and they serve as a digital front door where potential patients arrive after clicking on an ad or search result. It's essential that this page is clear, engaging, and designed to convert visitors into inquiries. So an effective landing page can determine whether a visitor leaves your site or takes action, such as booking a consultation. Higher conversion rates lead to more leads and ultimately more patients for your clinic. So what makes a landing page effective? Engaging messaging. Start with a clear, compelling headline that grabs attention and accurately reflects your offer. Clarity is king when it comes to the first part of your landing pages. A good structure for a hero section in your landing page is, here's what I've got. This is the headline of your web page. Here's how it makes your life better. This clearly and concisely explain the transformation your prospect will experience, how it make their lives better. Don't write a novel here. This should be one sentence, two maximum. And here is what I want you to do next. This is the specifics, next action they should take, okay? Let's talk about strong visuals. Use the relevant hero image or video that resonates with your target audience. Now, the next thing is persuasive copy and clear call to action. Clearly explain the benefits of your service. Use persuasive language and include a strong call to action like book your free consultation now. And the next thing is build trust. Include testimonials, certifications, or words to establish your authority and credibility. Next thing is mobile optimization. Ensure your landing page is mobile friendly, as many users will access it via their phone. And next thing is keep it focused. Concentrate on a single goal or offer and remove any distractions. By implementing these elements, you can improve your conversion rates and attract more patients to your clinic. There are some actions items for this episode. First of all, you need to set clear KPIs for your website and landing page and monitor these regularly, and review the hero section of your landing pages. Revise it so it's clear, compelling, and has a strong call to action. And take an objective look at your website landing pages through analytics and heat mapping tools to ensure it's optimized for conversions. We also leave the link to how good is your website quiz on the show note below, so you can do a quick 2 minutes checkup to see how well your website or landing page is performing now. By answering these quiz questions, you gain some insight into the effectiveness of your website. And if you like a comprehensive audit and a 360-degree overview of your website, please reach out for a discovery call. We schedule a website audit and strategy session for you. Okay, that's Rosa for another episode of OMD TV and Podcast Show. If it was helpful to you, please subscribe to the OMD TV and Podcast Show so you never miss any future episode. And please share this episode with your staff and colleagues. And if you want to learn more about online marketing for doctors' office and how our team can help you generate more new patients via creating a high converting website for medical and healthcare practices, please reach out to us and book a 15-minute discovery call with us. And as I mentioned above, and I leave the link to it in the show note below. And thank you so much for listening. I really hope to talk to you soon in our discovery call. And bye for now.